Hello and welcome. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab SM-T585, also known as the A6 or A10.1 2016 edition. Very annoying. The naming is so annoying. It is very confusing. It makes it hard to find videos instantly, but you found this video. Good job. I'm going to show you how to fix a black screen bug. It is actually... There we go. You can hear that it is actually turned on. But the problem is that inside the cable connecting the display has disconnected. So what you have to do is you have to have a thin metal tool, for example a very tiny screwdriver, and you're going to have to drive it in here, right there, in this gap. I know it feels very resistant. It feels like it's impossible. But unfortunately you have to use that force. Nearly got it. Nearly went in there. Okay, let's try this side instead. I can't believe it. This is the hardest opening that does not involve a heat gun that I have witnessed so far. Okay, so here it is somehow possible. Oh hell yeah. So the suggested entry point would be by the micro SD card. So now it's starting to get out of there. This tablet is an infuriating one. Yeah, it's getting loose, it's getting loose. This is a good start. So this is me using a guitar pick to get in there. And that guitar pick is getting trashed. Okay, we got liftoff. Nice. And oh yes, it is open on all sides nearly. Just one more side left. Oh joy. Oh my goodness, that was annoying. Alright, I'm not here to complain, I'm here to fix the issue. Let's see now. There's the camera. There's the battery. This is the display. Okay, so this is the cable that we're looking for. Here's the rest of it. Speaker, I guess, or is this a microphone? I don't know. Very nice to look at, but we are interested only in this one. So as you can see, the line is not perfectly aligned. Basically, it needs to be pushed in there. For this we need to remove this a little. Let's try to get rid of that plastic a little. Seems like maybe this was added to protect against the cable coming loose. Didn't quite work though, did it? Alright, so let's keep peeling this off. Alright, so this is open. So all I'm doing right now is pushing it upwards a little. So yeah, looks like pushing it upwards this way is the only thing I can do. So let me just show you what I did. I was basically pushing it up. And now it's looking a bit better, so I'm just going to close it up again. And now let's see if that was enough. Please start. Okay. Volume down and power button. Volume down and power button. Nothing yet. I guess we're gonna just put it back in there and hope for the best. Feels good to be rid of it in some ways. That was an annoying procedure. I would be rather unhappy if I actually managed to destroy this thing. Okay, that did not help. I guess we're going to do all this nonsense again. Yeah. I mean, thanks for letting us know that you are alive, but also shut up. Oh, please let me fix you. Okay, I'm gonna just disconnect the battery. And it's out. And it's back in. Oh my goodness. Indeed, that did the trick. The freaking screen is back. Oh man, I can't believe I actually figured this out. Okay, so I hope this was useful. Let me just glue it all up together. I don't even remember which side was up. Good enough. There it is. There's the screen. Using high brightness level 4. Shut your face. Off. Well, that was a little adventure. I'm glad I could probably help you. I very much hope this works for you as well. Let me know in the comments, by the way, let me know in the comments what is written on your tablet down here. Right here it says SM-T585. Is that what yours also says? If not, let me know. And let me know what you think this tablet is called. Again, I understand it's the A10.1. Yeah, that's it. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A10.1 2016 edition, or the Samsung Tab A6. I'm done with this one, and I wish no troubles for your devices, and have a good time. Until next time, see you then. Ciao.